dark. Take a look down there.
Yeah, it was really funny watching them push that in last time.
This is the Saginaw River,
Yes.
and this is the Essexville Boat Launch over by
Park.
the what's that?
I think it's Smith Park.
Smith Park. And this is the tree that they have set up here for the people that enjoy watching the videos.
Oh, there's a dead bird.
Blah.
I can't see it.
Blah.
Someone needs to take care of it. I don't know what to do.
Pick it up, hon.
No.
You grab the top end. I'll grab the other. We'll bring it over. We'll put in the flex.